Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English class with Mr. Turner on Turner's Tutoring. We are going to get started with our next part in the school lessons called In My Classroom, so things that you can find in the classroom. We're going to do 2 vocabulary exercises, and then we're going to do the 2 sentence exercises. Let's go ahead and get started.
Desk, chair, window, trash can, door,
Chair goes here.
chair,
Window goes here.
window,
And desk.
desk,
Door,
door,
trash can,
trash can, door, door, window, trash can, chair, desk,
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 trash can,
trash can,
chair,
chair,
door,
door,
window,
window,
Good job, everyone. Let's go on to our next vocab one.
Wall, whiteboard, map, bookshelf, poster, clock, map, whiteboard, clock, bookshelf, poster, wall, clock, map, bookshelf, whiteboard, poster, map, clock, whiteboard, bookshelf,
What is that on the wall?
What is that on the wall?
This is a map.
This is a map.
And what is this?
And what is this?
That is a clock.
That is a clock. What is that?
This is a trash can.
this is a trash can,
What is that? This is a window.
this is a window,
This is a desk.
this is a desk, this is a bookshelf, this is a whiteboard,
What is in your classroom?
What is in your classroom?
In my classroom, there is a window.
In my classroom, there is a window.
There is also a desk.
There is also a desk.
In my classroom, there is a clock.
In my classroom, there is a clock.
Do you have a clock in your classroom?
Do you have a clock in your classroom?
Yes, we do.
Yes, we do.
Do we have a bookshelf in our classroom? Do we have a bookshelf in our classroom?
Yes, we do. We also have a map.
Wow, do we have a whiteboard too?
No, our classroom doesn't have a whiteboard.
One more to go.
This is a chair.
This is a chair.
These are chairs.
These are chairs.
This is a desk. These are desks. This is a bookshelf. These are bookshelves.
One desk,
Desk.
two desks.
Desks.
One door,
Door.
multiple doors.
Doors.
One clock,
Clock.
multiple or two clocks.
Clocks.
What are these?
These are chairs.
These are chairs.
These are posters.
These are posters. These are windows. These are desks.
What are in the classrooms at this school?
On the walls, there are maps and whiteboards.
And what are these?
Those are our trash cans.
Excellent.
Excellent
You
job,
did it.
everyone. Thank you for participating in the English practice for In My Classroom. Practicing the phrases, what is this? And what are those? And practicing some vocabulary that is in the classroom. I'm Mr. Turner. This has been English Practice with Turner's Tutoring. Thank you for joining me and have a fantastic rest of your day.